Hello everyone, thank you for joining me, and thank you to those of you who are new to the channel, and a happy new year. Today we are making Komar cookies, which is another Star Trek recipe. To begin, we need to cream together our butter and brown sugar. That is half a cup or a stick of butter, which was about 110 grams, and half a cup of light brown sugar, which was 100 grams. Once you're happy with that, you're going to add in a whole egg. We're then adding plain or all-purpose flour, vanilla, cinnamon and salt. So that is 1 cup of the flour, or I put 120, I would maybe suggest 150 grams of flour because my mix was quite wet. And then it was half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're then bringing the dough together in a ball and putting it in the fridge for 15 minutes. If you need to preheat your oven, it's 375 degrees or 190 degrees Celsius. We will then be dipping the cookie dough into some egg white, which you've whipped up so it's slightly frothy, and some normal granulated sugar. When you're happy with those, you're going to press an indent into those and put some jam or jelly in the middle, and then enclose it back into the cookie dough. They should only take about 10 minutes in the oven. Mine was fine, it's just I think because the mixture was so wet it did spread. But let me know if you use the updated amounts and how you get on with them. As always, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.